Okay, so I wanted to show you guys my nighttime routine. Yay! So I do a lot. So I'm gonna try not to make this a long video, but if it is, please forgive me. Okay, so the first things first is my hair. So I get a lot of questions like, how do you get your hair to be so full? I'm about to show you now. So I did this twist out last week. I did a video on it last week, so I like to take some oil, rub it through. Oh, get up in there. I like to oil my hair, so take the oil, get it all up in there. Cause my hair feels so dry. Okay. Okay, so after that, I like to stretch my hair, okay? So, I'm gonna take section by section like this. Put some of my leave-in. Ooh, that's a lot. I don't even put that much on there. Put some of my leave-in. It helps get my curls popping. And this is the leave-in that I'm using. So then I get my hair ties and let's stretch. So get up in there. Like that. Get one, put it on the end. Like that. Then one in the middle. Hey. And that's what I do around my whole head. So, I'll be back. Hey! So yeah, this is what my hair looks like after it is stretched out. So, this is what it looks like. Bun it. Okay, so, got my big bunny. Excuse the hole. But, put my bunny on. Bam! Okay, we done with that, girl. So the next thing, you gotta clean the skin. You gotta clean your face. I like to start off with water. And this is what I use. You do it like that. Put it all over. Do not get it in your eye because it really burns. And like you'll be forever traumatized. I'm like, okay, so I'm doing it with my hand. I'm like, you know what? This is not enough. I just can't do it with my hands. Like, this is not enough. So I use my little facial brush. Bam. That and there. Let's get it. So, I was watching the news, right? And I seen this article. Well, I was watching this, so I didn't see the article, but they were talking about this stuff called masky. It's like acne from them damn masks. So I like to put some of my face stuff on here. I just like to get up in there. All up in there. And my acne is really clearing up. It's right here. And it was really bad at first, but it is clearing up a lot. So, I just do this. I'll be back. So, I use this next. Now, I know a lot of people say, Noxzema is too strong for your skin. It works for me. Because I've tried everything to get rid of this. And it is clearing up because at first it was really bad. It was bad. So, I've been using this to help clear my skin. So, I'm going to show you everything I use when I take a bath. It's Monday. It has been a very long day. So, I like to soak and get myself together, get my mind right. So let me show you what I use. Okay, so first things first, it is very dusty, but this is what I use. Can you see that? Okay, so you just rub this all on your body. You rub it, and then you let it sit for a while you soaking, and then you wash it off, and it has your skin feeling so soft. Do you hear me? Get this. Okay. Next thing, you know, for my lip bubble bath, I like to use some Bath and Body Works. Girl, you need this. And then the next thing, because it has been a long day, Epsom salt, because I'm old. So, what I like to do is put my Noxzema on. It burns. I'm not gonna lie, it burns. Let that sit while I'm soaking and taking a bath, and then I'll be right back. Like, right back. Like, you know, I got to soak for a minute, but then after that, I'll be right back. Bam, I'm back. So, this is what I use on my face when I'm in the tub. You can see it. This is what I use, okay? And I use a black soap. So, as I'm washing off the Noxzema, I go in with my black soap and I get up in there. And then I use that facial bar. So, the next thing I want to use will be this. I am using the maximum strength, which is the 10%. You can see that. Here it goes. Okay. So this is where I'm having the trouble. So that's where I'm gonna put the stuff. Get it up in there like that. Okay. Just like that. I like to wet my hand a little bit because my face is dry now. And really get it up there like that. Okay. And I like to let that sit for a while. I get my brush again and let's get up in there. And I just do this to make sure that it's actually like working. And I'm telling you, once I started doing this, like, I'm gonna try to insert some clips of how my skin looked beforehand, but you know, I'm still working on this whole editing stuff. So don't hold me to it. But this is what I do. So I like to let this stuff sit. I like to let it sit for a while. It's like 1 to 2 minutes, but who goes by the instructions? Like nobody. So I like to just do this and sit. So, okay, so the next thing I use, okay, so this also burns, but it works. Because the thing I like about this is that it dries out those pimples. Because at first they was like real juicy and white. Ew, I know. But this helped dries them out. So, you know, now you can see they're a little bit, they're like dry now. It's not as bad as it was at first. So, they come in a little pads like this. I normally take 1 or 2 and I just, and it burns. So you're gonna call out all your ancestors because it burns. But it works because it dries out these pimples. So, dab that on. Ooh, it burns. Oh, dance, dance, dance. Because dancing always helps it. Dance, dance, dance. Okay. Get the other side. And I just put it over the pimples. Alright. So see how they like dry now? Like they're like you know, they don't look as bad as they did at first. Go like that. Another one. Okay, that's enough torture. So I use this for any dark marks that I have because it's like it's supposed to lighten your skin a little bit. So I don't know if you can see that. Can you see it? It's vitamin C. That one. I like to put it put some on my neck because I have like I don't know, like I'm breaking out or something on my neck too. So let me get all that in there. Like that. And then the finale. So I use just a little bit because I already have oily skin, so I don't want to put too much on. Like, just put just a little bit because I think that's why I'm getting the pimples from the oil that's in my skin. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's it. Now, sometimes I might take like a hot towel and put it on my face and just like I'm in a spa. Sometimes I do that. The number one thing I learned though, to dry my face, paper towels. I do not use towels like a face towel. I don't use that. I use paper towels because I forgot why they say use paper towels, but that's what I do. So next, listen to my music, drink some of my Hen. And I know it's through the week, but it has been a long day. So you gotta drink some Hennessy because it's been a long day. So listen to my music and just relax and wake up in the morning and do it all over again. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe. You know, like, but the like is the thumbs up. So like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Love you.